At ReAgent, we have recently added extra pallet racking to our manufacturing facility. We did this to increase our storage capacity, which will enable us to absorb more business, and to implement a new factory layout that has helped us become more efficient in optimising our use of space. Altogether, we've increased our pallet racking by a huge 80%. This new racking is heavy duty, with a high load capacity. That means it can take extra weight and we're able to store more product. Additionally, the racking has anti-collapse mesh fitted to the rear, as well as upright protectors and aisle protectors to prevent damage. This new racking will help our material handlers and production team to segregate products, making them easier to store and easier to find. Our new layout is also safer, with defined zones for different types of product, such as chemicals, customer supplied goods and packaging. For bespoke chemical manufacturing requirements, contact us today to find out how we can help your business.